Well, I've only come that far from the road and my legs are burning and my lungs are aching. It's going to be a long day, a long walk. Oh boy. Well, I'm not fully there yet. The summit is over there. But I'm going to be honest with you, it's so windy. I'm out of the wind here. As soon as I got to this little mini summit, it was pretty freaky. Plus I'm just worried about my knee. I've got to save some knee for the journey home. So I'm just going to walk down to this ridge and take a couple of shots. And I see a nice shot over here on the 250mm lens. So I made it home. I made it back to the van. That was a brilliant. Took 11 photos. So I had one left on the roll. Been umming and ahhing about what to do with myself. I've kind of got my photography hat on. But no, I'm going to go down to the river, which is a really nice place to sleep as well. I'm going to drive down to the River Wye, a little place where I fish on a once a year I go there, and it's a great place to park up and sleep under the stars as well. So this is my camping spot for the night. Not bad. It's a fish farm. You can actually see the trout in the water here. English bastards. It's nice to know you're welcome, isn't it? Anyway, let's just go through the kit I've got with me. I've got my Nikon F100 and I've got the 28-200 lens. The lens was about 50 quid. Body cost me 150, but it is a tatty one, which is why it was so cheap. And it's nice to have the versatility of that zoom lens, no mucking around. And then I've got HP5 in her, pushed to 800, so it's going to be a grainy kind of day, which is fine. It's a grainy day out there, so it's a grainy place, so I think the outfit suits the environment. It's quite interesting because I just took 3 photos, 2 with the matrix metering on the camera, and then I checked it against my Pentax spot meter, and there's like a 2-stop difference. I'm more inclined to trust my metering, to be honest with you. So I just did the 3rd photo with my meter reading, which was f5.6 1/250th. So we will see which one of those 3 is the correct exposure. Oops.